Good morning. I've carefully reviewed the results of your overnight sleep study, and I'd like to explain them in detail today so you fully understand what's going on with your health.
醫生早晨，我一直好緊張等結果，因為我多年嚟成日都覺得攰，真係想知背後真正嘅原因。
The study confirmed that you have moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea. That means while you were asleep, your airway kept collapsing and your breathing completely stopped many times, putting a lot of stress on your body. On average, your breathing stopped about 30 times per hour, which is very significant. Imagine waking up 30 times every hour, even if you don't remember it. It prevents your brain and body from ever reaching deep, restorative sleep.
難怪我朝朝起身都覺得好攰，返工又好難集中精神，係唔係都可以解釋到點解我朝早頭痛，日頭成日煩躁？
Yes, exactly. Morning headaches and mood changes are very common in people with sleep apnea because when oxygen levels drop at night, the body is under constant stress and the brain doesn't get enough rest.
我之前擔心係大腦有問題，但知道同睡眠窒息有關，雖然都係幾恐怖，但至少有原因。
The good news is, we have effective treatment. The standard and most reliable therapy is using a CPAP machine, which delivers continuous air pressure through a mask to keep your airway open all night.
我聽過呼吸機，但係未見過實體。老實講，瞓覺時帶住部機喺面上面，聽落都幾唔舒服。
Many patients feel uncomfortable at first, but once they experience deeper, more refreshing sleep, they usually find it well worth it and quickly adapt.
呼吸機實際係點運作嘅？係唔係我戴上面罩，按個掣就得？
It's fairly simple. You put on the mask, the machine turns on either automatically when you breathe or with a power button, and then it delivers steady air pressure to prevent your airway from collapsing.
面罩係唔係要遮晒成塊面，定係有唔同款式？我有啲擔心會覺得好局促。
There are different options. Some masks only cover the nose, others cover both the nose and mouth, and some just rest at the nostrils. We'll try different ones until we find what's most comfortable for you.
我每晚要戴幾耐先至有效？
You should wear it whenever you sleep, even if it's just a nap. Ideally, that means 6 to 8 hours every night, because even one night without it can bring your symptoms back.
如果有幾晚冇用，會出現咩問題？
You'll likely start snoring again right away, and your breathing pauses will return. That means the poor sleep quality, morning headaches, and daytime sleepiness will also come back quickly.
如果我完全冇治療，以後會有咩後果？
Untreated sleep apnea raises your risk for high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. Over the years, it also increases the chance of diabetes, memory loss, and depression.
如果唔好好控制，係唔係會縮短我嘅壽命？
Unfortunately, yes. Studies show untreated sleep apnea is linked to early death, especially from heart-related conditions. But using CPAP greatly reduces that risk and helps you live longer and healthier.
我好清楚自己，如果成晚面上綁住部機，我一定瞓唔着。
I understand your concern. Many patients feel the same way at first, but surprisingly, once they try it and experience restful sleep, they often find they can fall asleep more easily than before. It's a common fear, but most patients adjust within 1 or 2 weeks. Some even report that the first time they finally sleep deeply with the CPAP, they wake up feeling better than they have in years.
如果我出差或者去旅行，係唔係都要帶埋部機？我嘅工作係司機，成日要將貨物送去唔同州，有時一去就幾日。
Yes, you should bring it. Most CPAP machines are lightweight, portable, and even have travel-friendly versions. Using it consistently no matter where you are is the key to protecting your health.
我想問清楚，用呢部機主要係幫我夜晚瞓得好啲，係唔係？佢唔會令我日頭揸車時更加眼瞓或者攰。
Correct, the CPAP won't make you sleepy. In fact, it usually does the opposite by improving your nighttime sleep. It helps you stay more alert and energetic during the day, especially while driving.
部機可唔可以過安檢？
Absolutely. CPAP machines are considered medical devices, so airlines allow them as carry-on. I'll also give you a letter for travel if you ever need documentation.
我下個月會同屋企人去旅行，我想確保過機場嗰陣順利，你可唔可以幫我寫封證明信，以防安檢問到呼吸機？
Of course, I can prepare that letter for you. It's always good to have documentation ready when traveling with medical equipment. Where are you and your family planning to go for your vacation?
我哋會去中國探親，好多年冇見過佢哋，全家人都好期待。
That sounds wonderful. Where in China will you be visiting?
我哋會去廣東，因為大部分親戚都喺嗰度。
Ah, Guangdong. I've been there before. I love the food, especially the dim sum. Make sure you enjoy it while you're there, but also remember to keep using your CPAP every night, even on vacation.
係，呢個就係我哋最期待嘅。我父母已經安排好第一日就一齊去飲茶，全家聚餐。你放心，我一定會每日晚上堅持用呼吸機。如果我試咗幾個星期都仲係瞓唔着點算？
If you have trouble adjusting, we can make changes like trying a different mask style, adjusting the air pressure, or adding a humidifier. There are always ways to make it work for you. Another thing to know is that some patients may experience minor side effects, like a dry nose or slight skin irritation from the mask. These are usually temporary and can be fixed with small adjustments.
我夜晚有時候本身已經喉嚨乾，部機會唔會令情況更嚴重？
Not necessarily. If dryness becomes an issue, we can add a heated humidifier to the machine, which keeps the air moist and much more comfortable. That usually solves the problem completely.
開始用之後幾耐先會覺得有改善？係唔係即刻會好啲定係要等幾個星期？
Many patients notice improvement within just a few nights, like waking up with more energy. For others, it can take a few weeks before the benefits really build up, but nearly everyone feels a positive change. I'm confident you'll see a big difference. And as your sleep improves, your risks for heart problems, stroke, and high blood pressure will also go down significantly.
我都希望。
Let's schedule follow-up visits. Usually, I like to see patients after 1 month to check progress, and then every few months. That way we can make sure the machine settings are perfect for you. If you ever have problems in between visits, you can call our office. We can adjust the settings or arrange for you to try a different mask.
但係我下個月去旅行，我最後仲有一個問題，我嘅保險會唔會包埋呼吸機同耗材嘅費用，定係要我自己全額俾錢？
Most insurance plans do cover CPAP machines and replacement supplies, at least partially. We'll help you check your coverage and provide any paperwork you need so there are no surprises.
如果我嘅保險唔包，呼吸機同器材自費要幾多錢？我只係想預先準備好，以防要自己俾錢。
Without insurance, the machine itself usually costs between $600 and $1,000, depending on the model. The mask and supplies are extra, but many companies offer payment plans to make it more affordable. My assistant will come in shortly to check your insurance status and explain exactly what's covered. They'll also help you schedule a follow-up appointment, go over how to use the machine again, and provide you with a printed summary so you have everything in writing. And the CPAP machine itself will be shipped overnight directly to your house, so you can start right away.
好，多謝。